Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to run a free AI that can actually look at your images and answer questions about them. No paid API, no local GPU. We're doing this entirely in Google Colab with Qwen3-VL. By the end of this video, you'll have a working image recognition setup. Upload any photo, ask natural language questions, and get detailed visual answers. I've already made an auto-install notebook, so the setup is way simpler than building everything from scratch. First, open Google Colab, colab.research.google.com, and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Next, download the auto-install notebook I prepared for Qwen3-VL on Colab. This handles the environment setup for you. Now go back to Colab and upload that notebook. Click Upload, then browse and select the IPNB file. Once it's open, you're ready to install. Click Run All, let it install dependencies and deploy. This may take a few minutes. Free compute can be a little slow sometimes, and that's normal. If something fails mid-run, don't restart from zero. Just run the remaining cells one by one from where it stopped. If you want the stronger 8B model, use the quantized 4-bit load step. When it works, you'll see quantized 8B model loaded successfully. After the model loads, the notebook launches the Gradio WebUI, Qwen3-VL WebUI on Colab T4. You'll get an image upload panel, a prompt box, a response panel, and a temporary public Gradio link for quick demos. Let's test it. Upload any image. Try a prompt like describe this image in detail. You can also ask what text is visible, or list the main objects and their positions. Hit submit and watch it break down the scene. Quick free tier reality check. Sessions often last up to about 12 hours, heavy GPU use may disconnect sooner, and public Gradio links can expire or change. If you don't want to set this up yourself, try the free demo link in the description. If it dies later, I'll post an updated link in the pinned comment. That's it, a free Qwen3-VL image AI on Colab. If this helped, like and subscribe, and tell me what image you tested first. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.